It's Mia. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mia. What are you doing?
Cupcake Spider-Man.
Cupcake Spider-Man?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna make cakes for Grandpa. It's his birthday.
Yeah.
Are we gonna make him a nice colorful cake?
Yeah. Strawberry cake.
We're gonna put strawberry on the cake.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that. Alright, so this cake, there are 3 colors.
Yes, thank you. And I can mix this strawberries.
Yep, well done. Good girl. Alright, so it's very easy. So all we have to do is add water.
Okay.
Yeah? Do you want to make the first one?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, so let's put the water in that one.
The bowl here.
Yeah.
The bowl. The bowl here.
Yeah, well done. Now we have to mix.
Mix. Add the mix.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Good girl. Yellow. Alright, so we finished this one.
Okay.
And what color is that? Do you remember?
And yellow.
Good girl. Alright, let's put it inside the teddy.
Ready? Ah. Not this one first.
Yeah.
This one first.
Wow, look at that. So we put the first layer on. Where's the teddy? And where's the heart? Good girl. Alright. Are you ready to make the second one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's happy birthday. My cake is over.
That's right. We're making a happy birthday cake.
Oh, happy birthday strawberries and a cake.
Alright, we have to first put the mixture inside.
Okay. The body.
Yeah. Good girl. Now we put the water.
What? Aqua?
Yeah, aqua.
Ah!
Now we mix.
Mix. It's a solid green.
I think we're done, Mia. I think we're done. Now let's get our teddy and our heart. Now we have to put it inside.
Okay.
Good girl. Look at that. We have green and yellow.
Green, yellow,
Now we need red.
red.
Yeah, shall I make the red one?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go back and make the red one. Look at that, it's so colorful. Alright, we have to finish it. Alright, Mia, one color left. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's put the mix inside.
Okay.
Good girl. And now the water.
It's pink sherbet. It's a pink.
Is it pink?
Yeah. It's pink to you.
Let's mix it.
Mix the pink.
Alright, let's do it. Now look at it, nice and pink.
It's strawberry.
Yeah, but we need some more. Let's put some more.
The heart.
Wow, it looks so pretty. Wow, Mia, look at that. Well done, baby. It looks so nice and colorful. Which one do you like more? The bear or the heart? The bear? Yeah, I think I like the bear too.
It's a mama and strawberry.
Okay.
Open lemon strawberry too.
Got it. Alright, now we're done. We have to put it in the oven.
Okay.
But Mama has to help you because the oven is hot.
Okay.
Alright, can you say we'll be right back?
Right back to you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you sing happy birthday to you?
Yeah.
Can you sing?
Yeah.
Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, I think your cake's are ready. Wow, Mia! Look at those cakes!
Yeah.
And all the colors!
Colors and red, pink, yellow.
Yeah, look at the teddy!
A teddy heart.
Hi, Mr. Teddy!
I'm Teddy.
Are you happy? Can you say happy birthday, Grandpa?
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
The kiss? Alright, let's go to the party. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.